Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe in Sting Gray. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select track full-time 4-wheel drive system, rear folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 11109A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.